I remember all those moments which stay with us forever. Moments from our youth, sharing quality time with friends. Life becomes simple. Things didn't matter as much. These moments are proof of my existence. I remember these momentous images, fragments of my life. Sounds, colours, senses, feelings. Here at Saint Lary, any single detail becomes special. I live for moments of exploration and discovery, adventure, adrenaline, sunsets, sunrises, moments which bring sparkles before my eyes. Life is not measured by the number of breaths we take, but by the moments that take our breath away. You can live 100 years without really living, so let's cherish the moments we have with the ones we love at the place we desire. These moments paint the canvas of our lives. You live only once, make every single day special, like as if it was the last one.